What is the latest Dubai real estate market update? Stay tuned to get the details. Welcome to this terrific Tuesday session of Clip Talk with Omar, where we will do a quick update on Dubai real estate market outlook with our highly esteemed guest, the Chief Economic Advisor for Joy IQI, Mr. Shan Saeed. I am Iamomeralikhan, a realtor, country director for IQI Global, UAE, based in Dubai. Once again, Shan, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Umar, for having me.
I think I get this opportunity from your busy schedule at least once a month, and I am truly, truly thankful to you. As I know, your time is precious. In today's Clip Talk, there were a couple of quick things I wanted to get your opinion on. First off, I wanted to know that how does the UAE lead in the MENA region in terms of investment growth, in the number of deals and funding for the startups?
Omar, in my opinion, the way things are shaping up in Dubai, it's quite vibrant, especially for startups to come down and commence their business, especially in a landscape where government is quite business friendly. They have provided an ecosystem that can give you an opportunity to expand and make Dubai as a base for your global operations. So I think it's an ideal opportunity for many startups to take leverage of the platform, number one, to take advantage of the growing economy. Number three, at this point of time, there have been several deals and a lot of global investors, especially like software coders, technology startups, they want to relocate in Dubai because of three specific reasons. One, the government is quite focused in promoting technology. Number two, the landscape is pretty strong for those companies to grow, not only in MENA region, but also in Africa, which is a growing market, and Europe. And thirdly, it's a very ideal situation because more and more companies are focusing on technology outlook, where most of the investment will be going in the next 3 to 5 years. Just take an example of Careem, which was a startup in Dubai in 2012 that was bought by Uber, if you recall, in 2019 for $3 billion. And lately, Amazon bought Souk for $580 million. And that was, again, these are two live examples of startups which started from Dubai and how they were captured by the global players. So I think this gives Dubai a real competitive edge over other MENA region. And I think going forward, I'm talking about 2 to 3 years, Dubai will become a startup hub for many investors. And as you know, government of Dubai has recently started the golden visa, whereby if you have got strong credentials, let's say if you're a software coder or you are technology startup, the government is providing to you 10 years golden visa, which is a huge, I would say, a leverage for those investors who want to look at it from the long-term view. So I think it was a good move on part of UAE and Dubai government to take this initiative so that those quality and those smart investors would relocate to Dubai in the near future.
Shan, I love the way you summarize such strong facts and how you always have numbers at your fingertips. And absolutely correct and spot on with what you said. I completely agree that these are one of the key factors because of which we are seeing a growing trend towards choosing of Dubai as an operating hub. Now, along with that, I had read a particular report. I will just share the headlines of it with you. It was stated that by Standard Chartered, essentially, that the UAE economy recovery is gaining momentum as of now. And I just thought from your perspective, how far do you agree with this report?
Umar, if you recall, 2 months back, we said Expo is happening. Yeah. And because of Expo, there have been a lot of interest from global investors who are quite keen to attend this Expo 2020 which was supposed to happen last year, but because of COVID, is now happening this year.
Correct.
So there are three things that we are looking at from July IQI. One is the yes, economy will gain momentum and is gaining momentum. The number one factor that is gaining attraction from those, 80% of UAE population has been vaccinated. Investors are willing to go to those countries where population is vaccinated, they are protected, and it's for their benefit. When they come down to Dubai, they know that 80% of the population is vaccinated and the government is quite focused in controlling this virus. This is the number one factor that is gaining attention from. Number two, yes, economy is gaining momentum and there is a lot of interest in 2020 because it's the biggest event happening in the MENA region and in GCC, and everybody looking forward to it. And Dubai vied for this after competing with many countries. So I think this is the second reason. The third reason, the government and Emirates Airline, they are reaching out to people, that this is the event that they cannot miss out. So those investors from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Europe, Japan, South Korea, they are coming down in a big way. So I think moving forward, we will see more and more attraction. For this year, we have already shared economy will be growing between 2 to 3%, which is quite significant for a country like UAE. And even the Economist magazine has recently projected they have been quite optimistic and buoyant on the outlook of GCC region.
I think yes. By the way, since you mentioned that the economic aspect of it, I was basically thinking that it has been again such a great honor for us, Sean, you, and courtesy through you, me, that we will be taking part again in the flagship networking forum organized by the Financial Times on 28th of October. And that will be bang within the time frame of when the expo has been launched. So just an impish question, why do you think Dubai was chosen for this particular prestigious networking event?
Thank you, Umar. Yes, it's a great honor for us that Financial Times newspaper London have invited both of us for this prestigious networking forum. In 2018, we were also invited. If you recall, we met Mark Mobius, one of the most sought after fund managers globally. And we learned a lot from his global insight, and it was quite enlightening for me and
Absolutely.
you. So I think why Dubai has been chosen, Financial Times has always chosen Dubai for their flagship events because of the growing economy. There has been government support. DIFC has always supported Financial Times event, and this is again supported by DIFC. That clearly sends a message to those global investors that government of Dubai and UAE, they want to have these events whereby they invite speakers, decision makers, economists, asset managers, fund managers, sovereign wealth funds to come down and to network for this prestigious event where people, interact about global economy, they interact about business, and most importantly is a lifetime opportunity to network and to become friends for the life. So I think it's a great honor for both of us that Financial Times again invited key players from Chowai, IQI, and we hope that both of us will gain from this important networking forum, and we will make new friends as we meet on 20th of October, inshallah, at Ritz-Carlton DFC.
I am absolutely looking forward to that event with you obviously leading the way. Again, thank you all for your time. Do send me your comments and feedback. If you have any questions and queries directed to Mr. Shan Saeed, please do put them in and we will make them a part of our Clip Talk in the next session. At the same time, do hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel for other Clip Talk to come your way. If it's a real estate query that you're looking for, simply reach out to me with your specifications and me along with my team will be happy to help you out. I am Iamomeralikhan signing out for now. Stay safe and God bless.